Hello. I had someone today ask me how to increase their neutrophil count with food intake. And I thought, I've never been asked that before. Neutrophil is a marker of your immune system. It's made in I'm going to say the bone marrow, my very unprofessional professional guess. And there's not really a direct relationship between food intake and how neutrophils are made or managed. But your food intake can be influence associated with your immune system. And so to build up your immune system, you want as much antioxidants and regulated hormones as possible. So that means watch added sugars, watch stress, watch large meals, watch things that could really increase your glucose response, therefore increase your insulin response and keep that sustained over time. Watch your stress management. And so to enhance your immune system, usually people think vitamin C, and that's an antioxidant. So the three are vitamin A, C, and E. So foods that have vitamin A and E are going to be egg yolks, nuts, things that have some dietary fat attached to it. Vitamin A, you're also going to see maybe in like liver or fish or organ-based meats, which typically have higher fat content. And so a lot of people will supplement or get foods that are fortified with those things because they don't want to have foods that naturally have them. So it was an interesting question that I thought, and it was from a lab. When you get your labs taken, there's a range, and it wasn't deficient. It was just on the lower end. So it's always so interesting how our brains look to something and think, okay, well, what can I take to fix that? Your body isn't broken. It doesn't need to be fixed. Think, what is it trying to tell me? What is the bloating trying to tell me? What is happening with my body right now? And that might be a better question than what's wrong with my body. See how that helps.